Welcome to the Motorhome and Caravan Show here at Birmingham's NEC. We're going to have a great week meeting lots of people, and I'm here with Kwoklyn Wan to talk about your adventures this year.
Yeah, and I've had loads.
Have you?
Loads and loads and loads. Literally, I've been everywhere this year, all with the Caravan Club, of course.
That'll be the Caravan and Motorhome Club.
All with the Caravan and Motorhome Club, of course. Last time we were here, you were talking about street food.
I was talking about street food because I absolutely love all the different flavours and the freshness of it.
And have you noticed this explosion with Korean food at the moment?
Yes.
So we're doing a Korean kimchi stew.
Fantastic. So kimchi, that is fermented
Napa cabbage with loads of garlic. And then we've got the standard gochujang chili paste even. So then we have, these are Korean chili flakes, but you can use normal chili flakes. Yeah. And of course a myriad of other amazing ingredients. But by the end of it, it's going to taste amazing. It's going to blow your socks off as well, because there's a bit of spice in there. A little bit of oil. So you want about a tablespoon of oil for this dish.
A tablespoon of oil.
So yeah.
So do I just
just rough it,
drizzle?
fry it.
That'd be about that then.
Maybe 2 tablespoons.
Was that a bit too much?
That's fine, absolutely fine. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to fry off the onions and just get some caramelisation on those. So I'll let you pop those in for me.
Okay.
And that's what you want, you see. When you're cooking, you always want that sizzle. You don't want things stewing. You want to fry things off, and this is where we're going to inject flavour.
Thank you.
So the last time I cooked a Korean dish, I was up in Scarborough.
Yes.
And I did this TikTok trending video, which is the tteokbokki, which is the little rice cakes and ramen noodles. And I cooked it for my daughter, because we all went up together, and we did this amazing TikTok video, which is actually on your Instagram page.
Is it?
If you're interested in that video, go to the Caravan and Motorhome Club Instagram page, where you can see how I did it. And it's an amazing little recipe, actually. So before we put anything else in there, we're looking to brown. And why are we looking for browning?
Because you get that caramelisation, the nice flavours, yeah?
Exactly, we're trying to enhance those sugars that come out of the onions.
Okay.
When was the last time you cooked when you were away?
When was the last time? Well, I have barbecue duty, so I get the job of going outside the van. So we always have a little portable stove like this, or a barbecue outside, because it's just nice to be outdoors. And
I love cooking outdoors.
Yeah,
I really love cooking outdoors.
So I do all the.
Signature dish, have you?
I don't really have a signature dish. I'm still a student at heart, so I got spaghetti bolognese and all of those kinds of things. But yeah, I always do the sort of the big barbecue thing with the sausages and the chicken and the burgers and so on.
Right then, I think we're ready for our spring onions.
Spring onions.
Lovely. And again, same thing. We're looking just at a little bit of colour on those.
So you've been to Scarborough. Where else have you been this year?
We've been all over the place. So we've got a beautiful little CL site in Leicestershire, which we go to a lot, because it's nice and close to home. It just means we can have a night away, do some open fire cooking, because you're allowed to open fire cook there. And then we've been to Brighton, we've been to Scarborough, Coniston Waters.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and amazing. And we go for this wonderful little walk from sort of like the Coniston Water site, and you go through the campsite, down the bottom of the hill, you go through a couple of lovely little swinging gates.
You do.
And then you walk down onto Coniston Water, because I know there's a big initiative going on this year, isn't there? Yeah,
we're having a Walking Wanderers initiative this year. Did you know there's 120 million miles of roads in the world?
Do you know why I knew?
Yeah,
because of our brief earlier.
Did you know? So there are, and we know how walking is really good for you, and getting out into the great outdoors. Members really love to walk, so we're setting a challenge to do 120 miles each member in a year.
So that's
which sounds a lot, but it's 10 miles a month, which is only a couple of miles a week, really.
Yeah, just 2.5 miles a week, isn't it?
So I was out at the weekend. I actually did a 10-miler all in one. Which was really great, around not far from where I live in Sussex, Hastings Country Park.
Oh yeah, that's lovely.
And all the way into Hastings, amazing views all the way over to France.
Right.
Yeah, on a clear day.
So it's quite a short distance to France from there, isn't it?
It is. Well, obviously that's where William the Conqueror came. Obviously, because that's sort of Hastings and the Battle of Hastings. It's where William the Conqueror arrived from Normandy.
Cool. It's like a history lesson.
It was really great. So we're challenging members to get out and about and log some walks, give inspiration for other members that can go on similar walks from the same campsites. feel better for being in the outdoors and having a bit of exercise.
That's the beauty of staying on the campsites is because, like I say, a lot of them, like I say, there's varied terrains, but most of them, lovely big trees. There's these amazing walks right next to this campsite, so you haven't even got to sort of like go to a national park because you're already pretty much camping right in the middle of it. And from there, you sort of like walk out your caravan, camper van, tent, or whatever you're in, and off you go, kind of thing, isn't it? So
completely right.
Yeah.
I was in Wales in the summer. I went to see a concert in Cardiff actually, but we stayed at our site at Tredegar House, which is near Newport, in the grounds of a fantastic stately home, and just wandering around the park there with seeing everybody riding their bikes or wandering, having a picnic under the trees. It was just a really great atmosphere. So you're right, you don't have to go far to really enjoy getting out.
To enjoy it. In fact, I was going to use this spoon.
What we're going to do now?
You're going to put. We can put maybe 2/3 of that into there. Just use the wooden spoon on that one. It's fine. I need to keep this one dry.
2/3.
So if you can put all of it in if you want. No. Obviously, if you put all of it in, it might blow our socks off when we try it, and there might be a little bit of coughing and sneezing and hiccuping on camera. So that's
It looks fantastic now.
You know what? Korean chili paste is amazing. It's got so much depth of flavour. I'm going to put in roughly, this is just chicken powder. You do this normally with chicken stock, but I'm going to cheat today and just use some chicken powder.
Okay.
So I'm going to put that in. Now,
and I keep whizzing it round, do I?
Yeah, just keep whizzing it, and I'm going to put in the chili flakes for you. Again, I think a teaspoon would be more than enough. And then what we're going to do, we're going to make this into a soupy stew now, because the chicken's pretty much cooked. It's nice and caramelised. You did a great job there. Let's just grab my water. Eesh. I filled this up especially. So you want roughly 1.2, 1.3 litres, but it depends on how big your pan is, obviously. So what we're going to do now is add our kimchi. Now kimchis are fermented Korean cabbage, so that can go in now.
It smells amazing.
I don't want to splash you see, so if I do that, in goes the kimchi.
And you had a try at glamping this year.
You know, we're fair weather campers.
Are you?
So the Experience Freedom Glamping pods are ideal. In fact, we're actually going away next week to Brighton.
Okay.
And then the week after we're going to Scarborough, and we're glamping in the Experience Freedom Glamping pods. But yeah, and also as well, the cooking facilities are amazing. So normally I have to take the full setup because I like to cook.
Yes.
So we go away and we might go out once or twice for a meal, or maybe go and get some chips on the seafront if we're near the seafront. But I like to cook. And there's barbecues, there's all your pots and pans, there's gas stoves, there's little ovens, there's microwaves. So you can pretty much cook everything you need. And for a chef, that's perfect. You know, and I haven't got to worry about taking literally the pots and pans and the kitchen sink because everything's there. So
that's really good.
So yeah, they are amazing. The glamping cabins especially are huge, like huge. They sleep 6 people, and but it just gives you so much space to move around, put things out, and like you say, when I'm cooking, I like to get things out, and I like to have things prepared. So they've got a nice big worktop in there, and you can have everything set out ready. You can even cook a roast dinner there. In fact, you could cook a roast dinner there. Because they've got ovens, they've got the grills and everything.
That's right. And then you've got the deck at the front, so you can sit out on a nice day and enjoy the fruits of your prep.
Oh, 100%. The decking is amazing. Sorry. Yeah, I get sort of carried away because that last, like I said, in Coniston Water, we sat there. We put the big umbrella up and it was raining. We just sat under the umbrella in our little chairs, and we just listened to the pitter and patter, and as the rain was coming through the trees, it was beautiful. So yeah, so there's no such thing. Again, fair weather campers, but when you're in a glamping pod, it doesn't matter what the weather's doing.
Yeah, because you can get shelter quite easily, can't you? Yeah, definitely. Nice and warm and cosy. 2 new glamping locations this year for Experience Freedom. Lady Margaret's Park on the border of Wales near Chirk Castle. Really beautiful area with so many things to do, easy walking from the campsite to all sorts of different things. And the Royal Estate at Sandringham.
Oh, wow.
We've extended our campsite there, more camping pitches, more caravanning pitches, more service pitches, but also our glamping units there, safari tents with wood-burning stoves. So on those sort of slightly cooler evenings, you can, cozy up by the fire.
With a log fire.
Yeah,
do you know what goes through my mind?
Yeah.
Toasting fork, marshmallows, just in front of the fire.
Lovely, yeah.
Just to finish the evening off, maybe a little glass of sherry or port, as you do in a safari
tent. Yeah, exactly. On the Royal Estate, why not?
8 minutes simmering. Before we dip the ladle, you just need to put a little tiny bit of sesame oil on top. So if you just want to grab that bottle for me.
Oh, okay.
Now sesame oil is always to finish the dish. It's going to give it that nutty note, and that's my hint to my Cantonese Chinese background with the sesame oil. So about a teaspoon, just all over it. So just a little squirt.
I've got no idea
over.
what the sort of drizzly rate of this is. Okay.
There you go. Perfect.
Like that.
And maybe a little bit more.
A bit more.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's it. We can switch the heat off. You can get your ladle in, and then we can get some bowls, and this is going to make a phenomenal lunch. One of those things that you could cook on, you've just done this major setup with your caravan, you've put the awning up, you're a bit exhausted, easy dinner.
Yeah, all in one place,
That's
all
it,
in
lovely.
one pot. Yeah.
Bit of bread to dunk in there, it'd be lovely.
You're going to serve, are you? You're going to do the serve.
All the bits.
You're going to do the serve.
With conviction, I think. There you go.
We've got to do this.
Give that a go.
Got to give this a go. It
I'll get
smells
some in a
amazing.
minute.
It's really nice. Oh, that is spicy.
Tasty.
That is really tasty. It's really nice, actually. It's a meal, and it's a soup, and it's a stew. It's a bit of everything, isn't it? It's really nice. Thanks very much, Kwoklyn. That's absolutely set me up for the day. Thanks to everybody for joining us, and really get out there and enjoy your autumn and winter touring.